Well, my journey started a couple years ago when I went to my gynecologist with just a simple symptom. And after a couple tests done, it was determined that I had a cyst growing on an ovary. And because of my age, she sat down with me and said, it quite likely is ovarian cancer. I was completely shocked and taken aback. And being a registered nurse, I kind of knew that it really wasn't a good thing to hear. There's a high percentage of patients that die from the effects of chemotherapy. In fact, I believe the statistic is more people die from the outcome of chemotherapy than die from the cancer itself. The next thing that was ordered for me was surgery. In the course of surgery, he determined, it was cancer. The writing was on the wall. The treatment would be chemotherapy, and that was going to be the only treatment he would consider. And now knowing that there are other ways to approach cancer, wouldn't you want to look at some alternative method that isn't going to use the harsh ways of chemotherapy? It only makes sense. I found a method that I really thought was sound. At first, it just didn't seem like there was any place in the Midwest, and there was Brookfield Health and Wellness. It had the technology that I wanted, and it wasn't that far from me. I was blown away. So the next thing I did was call Brookfield Health and Wellness and made an appointment to see Susan for an on-demand. Before my time to meet with Susan, before that first appointment, she called me on the phone and said, I see that you're on the schedule and I just wanted to get to know you a little bit. And I thought, who does that? Before my first appointment, I came, and from the moment I stepped in her office, there was just something special. Actually, during the course of chemotherapy, I had very little nausea. I never had a time that I couldn't eat. All my symptoms were very, very minimal. And I really, really believe that it was because of the treatment I was getting here at Brookfield. Now I've been past chemotherapy for over a year and I'm doing well. So along with supplements, natural supplements that are recommended, I just feel like I'm on a really good course to not only get back my life fully, but to be better off than I ever was before physically. But Susan Rohr and Brookfield Health and Wellness is a class in and of itself. So there's the treatment of your body, but there's also a treatment for your whole being, your emotional state, your physical state. And Susan recognized you're a whole integrated person. You have a family that plays into the whole wellness aspect of who you are. Anyone that's going through this journey, it's just essential that they open themselves to looking at what else can be done. What else can they do to take them through this and not kill themselves with treatment?